everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're just starting your journey with Python, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something super important: strings. Whether you're printing messages or handling text, strings are absolutely everywhere in Python programming. So let's get into it. In Python, a string is simply a sequence of characters. It can be letters, numbers, or symbols. You can type anything on your keyboard, and to make it a string, you wrap it in either double quotes or single quotes. Both work just fine. Here are a few basic rules to keep in mind. First, strings must always be inside quotes. Second, you can't mix single and double quotes. And third, strings are case sensitive, means hello with an uppercase H and hello with a lowercase h are two different strings. This table provides examples of valid and invalid strings. Each valid string example uses a consistent pair of quotes, either single or double. The invalid examples shows common mistakes such as mixing quote types or leaving one out. Let's consider the last example. The teacher said yes. This is a valid string. It starts and ends with single quotes, while the inner quoted word yes uses double quotes. Since the quotation marks are clearly distinguished, the string is syntactically correct. This is an invalid string because it starts and ends with double quotes, but also uses double quotes around the word yes inside the string. The len function is used to determine the number of items in a collection such as a string. It provides a simple way to measure the size of data structures. For example, if we have a string like hello, using len hello will return 5, because the word hello contains 5 characters. This example illustrates how Python's len function can be utilized to determine the length of a string. First, the variable number is assigned the string value 12. In Python, numbers can be represented as strings, allowing us to treat each character individually. The len function, when applied to a string, it counts the number of characters present. In this example, len 12 returns 2, as there are 2 characters in the string 12. The print function outputs the specified message to the console. Here we have number, a string literal that is displayed as it is. Number, the value of the variable number, which is 12, is displayed. Has another string literal. Number of digits, the value of this variable number is 2, so 2 is displayed. Digits, a final string literal. The print function automatically separates each argument with a space by default. Therefore, the output is number 12 has 2 digits. Let's see how Python runs this code. In Python, string concatenation refers to the process of joining 2 or more strings together to form a single string. This is done using the plus operator. For example, this simple Python program demonstrates how to use user input and string concatenation to create interactive output. First, the input function is used to prompt the user with the question, "What is your favorite color?" Whatever the user types in response is stored in the variable named color. Next, the print function is used to display a message that includes the user's response. This is done by joining the literal string "your favorite color is" with the value stored in the color variable, followed by an exclamation mark. Here's how Python runs this code. Alright, To recap, today we learned that strings are sequences of characters wrapped in quotes. We talked about the rules you need to follow, how to check their length using the function len, and how to join them using concatenation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.